Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good, fit and doing well at your homes. So students, this is your English lecture week 4 and this is your video lecture 3 for the week 4. Okay students, so today we are going to talk about adjective phrase and degrees of adjective. So our today's topic is degrees of adjective and adjective phrase. But students, before starting this topic, we will learn these or we will discuss the learning attainments. Yes students, at the end of the lesson, you all will be able to understand what is adjective phrase and how it operates. We will also discuss its formation as well, and then we will talk about the 3 degrees of adjectives. Okay? So today's topic is degrees of adjective and adjective phrase. Okay student, before proceeding towards our lecture, let's have some warm-up activity. Yes. What is a noun, students? Yes, you all know that what is a noun. Hurry up, recall it. Yes, quickly. Very good. And why is an adjective used? You also know what is the definition of adjective. Now we will get to know about these 2 warm-up activity questions. Yes, what is a noun? A noun is a naming thing, or you may say noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. And why we use an adjective? We use adjective to describe a noun. So adjective adds quality to a noun. Okay? Yes student, there are some examples for you. Okay, now noun is the name of person, place or a thing. Now here are some. This is a picture of a person, this is a place and this is a thing. Now adjective is a word that adds quality to a noun. It means that somehow describes any person, any place, anything. Describes by describing the qualities. The qualities can be bad, the qualities can be good. Yes, so a person can be good, a person can be clever. So these are adjectives. A place can be beautiful, a place can be holy, a thing can be small, a thing can be colorful. So these are adjectives. Students, do you know that all the colors are also adjectives? Blue, red, green, yellow, all these colors are also adjectives. Okay now? Now what is adjective phrase? Our main topic. One or more words that work together to give more information about an adjective. So basically an adjective describes a noun, and when there are more than one adjectives, then it becomes a adjective phrase, or you may say a sentence having adjectives. So it is a group of combination of words. But students, make sure about this, that we all know that a sentence or a phrase must contain subject verb, or you may say a sentence is a subject verb pair. But adjective phrase is such type of sentence that do not contain subject verb pair. Okay students, because it do contains adjectives. Okay, so it is a group of words without subject verb combination. So adjective modifies a verb. An adjective phrase is a group of words that modifies a noun. Adjective is a single word and adjective phrase is a group of words. So this is the basic difference between adjective and adjective phrase. Now placement of adjective phrase. Okay students, now there are 3 positions of adjective phrase. It can be placed in the beginning of a sentence. It means it will be placed before the noun it modifies. The principal of this school is on leave. So here the principal of this school is adjective phrase. Okay, because here the noun is school and the principal of this school becomes the adjective phrase and it is describing about the school. So this is in the start of the sentence. Okay. Yes students, an adjective phrase can also appear in the middle of the sentence, or you may say after the noun it modifies. The girl, here the girl is noun. Wearing pink t-shirt sings well. So here, wearing pink t-shirt, I also told you that all colors are adjective as well. So this phrase is adjective phrase and it is placed before the noun, or you may say it is placed in the middle of the sentence. Okay? Yes, the last placement is, or you may say the last position of adjective phrase is, obviously we got to know about the beginning of a sentence, at the middle of a sentence, and the last is at the end of the sentence. The top of mountains were covered with snow. So here we are talking about top of mountains. So this is our noun, and covered with snow is adding quality to this top of mountains. So it is our adjective phrase and it is placed at the end of the sentence. Okay? Now the next, degrees of adjective. Why we use degrees of adjective? Students, we use degrees of adjective to compare things, or you may say to compare qualities of more than one things or more than one persons. Now, how many types of degrees of adjectives? There are 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative, and superlative. Now we will get to know about each of them further. Yes, positive degree. This degree describes only one person or one thing. So that is why it is used for describing a person but not play any role in comparison. Okay, student? Yes, positive degree and adjective that does not make any comparison, it is said to be positive degree. Ali is tall. Ali is noun. Tall is adjective. And as it is describing only one person, so it is a positive degree. Now the next one, comparative degree. It is used to compare two things or two persons, or you may say it shows the greater or lesser degree. For example, Ahmed is taller than Ali. So here we are comparing two persons, Ahmed and Ali, and they are described by this adjective, and as it is comparing two persons, so this is our comparative degree of tall. And you may say that we made the comparative degree by adding er with the tall. So the comparative degree for regular adjectives can be made by adding er. Okay? Now superlative degree. It is used to compare more than two things. It shows the greatest or least degree. Okay, students, for comparing two things or person, we use comparative degree, but for more than two things, we use superlative degree, or you may say this is the biggest one or this is the least one. Okay, now Ayan is tallest among all. Now here we are comparing Ayan with all. So that is why we have used the superlative degree of tall, that is tallest. So you may also say that we make superlative degree by adding est with the positive degree. Okay. Now here are some regular adjectives. In regular adjectives, students, how we make comparative and superlative degree. For example, if I say fast, so this is the positive degree. For regular adjectives, so this is a regular adjective. For regular adjective, we make the comparative degree by just adding er, and superlative degree is made by adding est with the positive degree. Okay, so again, in comparative degree we add er, and in superlative degree we add est. Now long, longer, longest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, lovely, lovelier, loveliest, happy, happier, happiest, clean, cleaner, cleanest. So these are the regular adjectives. Now what about the irregular adjectives, students? There are some irregular adjectives which can't be made in their comparative and superlative degree by adding er. For example, if I say good, so according to the rule, I should make the comparative degree by adding er. So it should be gooder. No, student, this is wrong. For irregular adjective, we make other words, not by adding er and est. So good, better, best. So for irregular adjectives, we make such comparative and such superlative degrees: good, better, best; bad, worse, worst; much, more, most; less, little, less, least. So these are the irregular adjectives. Now students, there are some video links for you. You have to watch these videos very carefully for your better understanding. Okay, now students, so our today's task, we will do part C of page 33 on book, part D of page 33 also on book, and part E of page 33 also on the book. Now a quick fact review. Yes, we will recap, or we will wrap up our whole lecture now. Yes, we talked about the adjective phrase. So one or more words that work together to give information about any adjective. Adjective phrase is a group of words that modifies a noun. I am very happy with this work. So very happy. This adjective phrase. The cost of the car is too high, or you may say way too high. So hold this adjective phrase. But if I say about high, so this is only adjective. Okay students. Now the last, degrees of adjective. I told you earlier that there are 3 degrees of adjective. Positive, that is used to compare only one person, and you may say that this it is only used for describing a person, not for comparison. Then comparative degree, that is used to compare two things. Superlative degree, that is used to compare more than two things. 3, 4 and onwards. Okay, and there is an example for you: big, bigger and biggest. How we made this comparative and superlative degree? By adding er and est. Okay students, I hope you have understood the concept. Okay, good luck. Thank you.